Welcome back to the channel. We are at Cedar Point and we are gonna go on Corkscrew next. It's the old style loop-de-loop and it was a record holder in its day. We'll see how, usually these styles are a little bit rattly and kind of rough, so it's kind of like ranking them on how not bad it is, but we'll see how we go. We'll do a point of view, so stick with us and we'll see you in just a few.
At this time, please enforce your seatbelt once your shoulder pads has been unlocked and secure it away. Thank you for letting close. Be careful, the gates will be closing.
Hurry up. We're in it. I gotta say that this is usually the roughest style, but we'll see. I'm just keeping everything tucked back and in. I got my feet pressed back. I'm gonna try to keep my head back and then just kind of press my shoulders up into the restraints and try not to bang my head, because I have never ridden this thing and I don't know how, I don't know if she's a headbanger or not. I feel like the restraints are low enough I'm not gonna hit too bad. But, and they've got it pretty well padded, so we'll see how it goes. She might be smooth, I don't know. This may be the best of this type ever. I remember when
please remain seated facing forward in upright position. The whole
Vortex came out, and then I was a kid, and that thing, I waited in line for like 3 hours to ride that ride, and it was so rough. I remember just like, oh man, Vortex. And I thought, oh, when it was brand new, you know, these things were the cat's pajamas when they were new. Well, yeah, it was the most advanced. You know, this is when you really started getting a lot of inversions in the game. You know, before that, this is the time when you could go, you know, ride King Cobra standing up at Kings Island. You know, they don't have hardly any stand-up rides anymore. And then the other one that was crazy was the Beast, the wooden coaster that had the loop on it. It was the first one of its kind, and when we rode it, I was like, oh man, I can't believe this wood coaster has a loop. Like, what happens if it stops at the top on the loop? You just like fall? Well, there are no other looping wooden coasters, you know. I don't know that ever happened. It was really a great ride, but they tried to do it without the loop, and it just wasn't the same, you know, and then eventually it came down. So, are you ready, Becky? No idea what's going on. Oh, we're going for the loops. Use the corkscrew. Oh, whoa. Woo! That's all she wrote. Just the perfect amount of time. Okay, so if by some chance the owners of this park are watching this video, I gotta say, put an underground tunnel like right after that first drop or something, and then crank you back up into those corkscrews. But it needs like a dark themed element to this ride added in somewhere. I don't know. Yeah, like the demon, like some, you know, and then you can kind of Halloween theme it, and I think she'd shine. All right, just coming off a Corkscrew. What'd you think, Becky?
I mean, it's okay. I like the length of the ride because I don't think I could go much longer on it. I hate to say it.
Honestly, don't be afraid of that when it's a short ride. Keep your head back, keep everything tucked in. You don't really bang your head, so it wasn't that bad. It kind of roars on the track. They've really maintained it well over the years, I gotta say. The two Corkscrews, yeah, they're okay. It's not like uncomfortable. I thought it was pretty good. So it's worth a go. It's definitely, if you've got your checklist, you want to hit all the coasters, that one's going to rank out probably towards the bottom, but maybe not all the way to the bottom. So I enjoyed it. I think a night theme on it would really make it shine. But anyway, if you stuck with us this long, hit the subscribe button at the end of the video. We'd appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and as always, we'll see you soon on the next ride.